Go wash your hair now, why so smelly? I'm gonna attempt a 2-minute blow drying challenge on my female friend who has thick, long and bushy hair. Are you wet? I mean your hair wet or not?
Very wet.
Let's review your hair. Ayo! What lesson that go? It will take how long to blow dry your hair?
10 minutes.
10 minutes? What if I tell you there's a product that can blow dry your hair in 2 minutes? Dreame Hair Glory High Speed Hair Dryer. So there's 4 temperature and 2 speeds, and the 2 minutes starts now. Sadako! How do girls do this, yeah?
It's dry already!
Jang. Anyway, I have one more secret weapon.
Hair care.
Essence nozzle. Essence plugged in, ready to go. Half the time it's me laughing at her hair. Now I'm trying to fix her hair.
Hey Royce, my hair is soft.
Hey, now when I go on dates, right, the guys can blow out your hair all the way till the end.
You know what? This is the best for single people.
Why you hit your lap? You excited or what?
I am. The hair dryer is mine.
This is for me.
I'm getting it then.
Yes, get it for yourself. I have long hair.
Ouch.